What is personification? Personification is a type of metaphor. It is when you give qualities of a person to something that isn't human or that isn't alive, like nature or things. Why use personification? It can be used as a method of describing something so that others can understand it easily. It can be used to emphasize a point. You can use personification to help paint a picture in your mind. Writers use personification to make their writing more vivid and to have the reader understand the object or animal in a better way. For example, instead of saying, "The stars twinkled in the sky," you can say, "The stars danced playfully in the sky." Here are some examples of personification. My alarm yelled at me this morning. The flowers waltzed in the gentle breeze. The blizzard swallowed the town. The sun smiled down on us. Personification is all about giving your writing or speech more pop. Have you used personification? Comment below samples of personification you've heard or use. I hope this video helped explain what personification is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!